Welcome back to DG Tutorials for Grade 10 Math. Have you ever tried to build something awesome using instructions with different measurements? Maybe the instructions were in centimeters but your ruler only had inches. Or perhaps you were trying to figure out how many miles were in a 10K race. Frustrating, right? That's where understanding unit conversions comes in handy. Unit conversions are simply a way of changing from one unit of measurement to another. Think of it like translating a language. You're saying the same thing, just in a different way. This is super important in math and in life because it allows us to make sense of measurements, no matter what system we're using. There are two main methods we'll be exploring: unit analysis and proportional reasoning. Don't worry, they sound fancier than they are. Unit analysis is like a shortcut where we use conversion factors to cancel out units. Proportional reasoning, on the other hand, helps us solve for an unknown quantity by setting up a relationship between two equal ratios. By the end of this essay, you'll be a unit conversion master, effortlessly switching between inches and centimeters, miles and kilometers, and more. Let's start by getting familiar with some key conversions between the metric system, used in many parts of the world, and the imperial system, used in the United States. Think of these as your secret decoder rings for measurement: inches and centimeters. 1 inch is approximately equal to 2.54 centimeters. This is our magic number. To convert inches to centimeters, we multiply by 2.54. To convert centimeters to inches, we divide by 2.54. Miles and kilometers. 1 mile is approximately equal to 1.61 kilometers. Another important conversion factor. To convert miles to kilometers, we multiply by 1.61. To convert kilometers to miles, we divide by 1.61. Remember these conversions. We'll be using them a lot in our examples. Ready to see these conversions in action? Let's dive into some examples. Example 1. Converting inches to centimeters. Let's say you have a piece of string that's 10 inches long. How many centimeters is that? Remember, 1 inch is approximately equal to 2.54 centimeters. So we multiply. 10 inches times 2.54 centimeters per inch equals 25.4 centimeters. Example 2. Converting kilometers to miles. Imagine you're running a 5K race. How many miles is that? We know 1 mile is approximately equal to 1.61 kilometers. To convert kilometers to miles, we divide 5 kilometers divided by 1.61 kilometers per mile equals 3.11 miles. See how easy that was? By using our conversion factors, we can quickly switch between units. Section 4. The power of proportions. Unlocking tricky conversions. Proportions are like secret weapons in the world of unit conversions. They help us solve for an unknown quantity by setting up a relationship between two equal ratios. Think of it like this. If we know the relationship between two things, we can use that information to figure out an unknown. Let's say we want to convert 50 inches to centimeters. We can set up a proportion: 1 inch over 2.54 centimeters equals 50 inches over x centimeters. Notice how we have inches on the top of both ratios and centimeters on the bottom. This is important. Now we can cross-multiply and solve for x. 1 inch times x centimeters equals 50 inches times 2.54 centimeters. X centimeters equals 50 inches times 2.54 centimeters divided by 1 inch. X centimeters equals 127 centimeters. We can use this same method to solve for any unknown quantity in a unit conversion problem. Section 5. Practice makes perfect. Mastering unit conversions. Time to put your skills to the test. Here are some practice problems to help you master unit conversions. 1. Convert 15 centimeters to inches. 2. Convert 10 miles to kilometers. 3. Convert 3 feet to centimeters. Hint: 1 foot equals 12 inches. 4. Convert 2 meters to inches. Hint: 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. 5. Convert 10 yards to centimeters. Hint: 1 yard equals 3 feet. 6. Convert 50 millimeters to inches. Hint: 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. Solutions will be provided in the next section. Section 6. Conclusion. Why unit conversions matter. Congratulations, you've journeyed into the world of unit conversions and emerged victorious. By understanding how to convert between different units of measure, you've gained a valuable skill that will serve you well in math, science, and everyday life. Whether you're tackling a tricky word problem, building a bookshelf, or simply trying to understand the world around you, Unit conversions provide a framework for making sense of measurements. So embrace the power of unit analysis and proportional reasoning, and never let a unit conversion problem stump you again. Please like, share and turn on the notification button for more.